Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we are going to talk about the components of Microsoft Excel window. So without any further dues, let us start the video. Dear students, let us revise the steps to start Microsoft Excel window. How to start Microsoft Excel? First of all, click on start button. Here it is, start button. Click it and then click on all programs and then go to Microsoft Office. It is here only, Microsoft Office, and then click Microsoft Excel 2007. Now dear students, the version of your Excel program may be different, like it is Excel 2010, Excel 2013. It may also be 2016. So you can click any of those. Now I have 2007, so that's why I will open 2007, right? So launch the Microsoft Excel program. This is Microsoft Excel window. Now we are going to talk about different parts or different components. Dear students, this component or this part is called as the title bar. Yes, this is title bar. The very top bar of Microsoft Excel window is called as title bar. It shows the name of program. Now the name of this file or name of program is Book 1 Microsoft Excel. Fine. Now let us see what is Quick Access Toolbar and what are the control buttons. This is called as Quick Access Toolbar. The area ranging from here to here. See, this is a shortcut for save, this is the shortcut for undo, and this is the shortcut for redo. Undo means undone the previous action, and redo means again doing the same action. Save, you know already, it is used to save the program, and this is the drop down box for other different menus. Okay, so this is called as Quick Access Toolbar. Why? Because you can quickly access the different tools. That is why it is called as Quick Access Toolbar. Remember this. And this is called as Office button. Okay, and it is not the part of Quick Access Toolbar. It is Office button. It contains the different menus such as saving a file, opening a file, etc. Dear students, from 4th, 5th standard you have learned these are the control buttons. This is minimize, this is maximize or restore, and this is close button. Okay, 3 buttons are there, control buttons: minimize, maximize or restore, and then close button. Now this is called as menu bar. The area just below the title bar is called as menu bar. You can see there are 8 menus: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and developer. These are the different 8 menus present in Microsoft Excel 2010. Just below the menu bar there is a ribbon. This particular area is called as a ribbon. Observe carefully. This is ribbon. Now ribbon always changes according to the menu. Now this is the ribbon for home menu. Okay, this is the ribbon for home menu. You can observe by clicking on different menus, the ribbon will also change. Now see, insert, different ribbon. Page layout has different ribbon. Formulas, data, review, each and every menu has different ribbons. Okay, now just below the ribbon there are 2 boxes. This box is called as name box. Okay, this box is called as name box. As you can see, it is shown here, name box. Okay, it shows the name of cell. Now what does it mean by cell? Cell is a small unit of Excel sheet. This is a small unit or the small box. It is a small box. This box is called as cell, and name box shows the cell number or cell name. Basically it shows cell name. Now dear students, how to identify the cell name? see, this is cell and it is present in column F. Okay, this cell is present in column F and it is present in row number 8. So this is F8 cell. This is F8 cell and the same name is shown in name box F8, right? Now just in front of the name box it is formula bar. Yes, it is formula bar. So whatever formula you type in this cell, that will be shown in the formula bar, correct? Now let us see what is row, what is column, and what is column name and row number. Dear students, the series of vertical cells is called as column. Okay, the series of vertical cells is called as column. Now this is series of cells in I column, series of cells in G column, series of cells in O column. You can observe the name also, it is in O column, right? Fine. Now what is row? A series of cells in a particular row or series of horizontal cells. It is series of horizontal cells. See, and it is in 10th row. Now what is row number and column names? The name given to the column is column name. Now see, A is the column name, B is the column name, C, D, E, F, you can see here different column names are there, G, H, I, J, K. These are the simple English letters. And row numbers are ranging from 1 to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to, we will talk about that later, how many total rows are there and how many total columns are there in Excel sheet. Fine. Now let us see what is status bar and what is zoom slider. This is a status bar, right? This is status bar. It shows the status of present worksheet and many things. See, this is status bar. This area is called as status bar. This particular slider is called as zoom slider. You can set the zoom percentage. You can decrease its size. You can increase its size. Let us see how to do that. Let me increase the size. See, you can see clearly, and reduce now. Reduce. So the size can be increased or decreased by using the zoom slider. So that's it for today's session. Okay, range of cells is remaining. Range of cells. I have selected many cells now. Now these cells are called as range of cells. Try to understand, this particular cells which I have selected are called as range of cells. Now if someone asks you what is the range of cells, then you should tell like the range of cell is F5. Okay, it is from F5 to O23. Let me show you that. The range of cell is, you can see it started F5. It is started at F5, right? F and 5. The cells started and then it ends at O23, right? O23. So we will stop here. In case of any queries, difficulties or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Bye and take care.